Hello students, I am Umesh Mishra, math teacher of DLPM Public School, Golam Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already discussed about the triangle, how many parts of a triangle and how many types of triangle according to sides and according to angles, and also what is the property of triangle, exterior of a triangle and median of a triangle, and what is the value of exterior of a triangle, and what is the interior of a triangle, and what is the exterior of a triangle. Now today I'll revise exercise 6.1. In this exercise I will revise which points is in the interior of a triangle and which point is the exterior of a triangle, and which angle is isosceles triangle, which angle is equilateral triangle, and so on. So dear students, I hope that in the previous video, which I have already revised by self, clear to you. Now I will revise exercise 6.1, in which exercise 6.1 question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is question number 2. Question number 2 is name the points. Name the points. Exercise 6.1. Name the points. Name the points. First, in the interior of triangle ABC, in the interior of triangle, in the interior of triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Second, in the exterior of triangle ABC, in the exterior of triangle ABC. Third, on the triangle ABC, on the triangle ABC. Given figure is this is triangle ABC, A, B and C. This is point T and this is point Q. This is point U and this is point P. This is point R and this is point B. This is the given figure. We have to find out first in the interior of triangle. So I will find which point is the interior of a triangle. Solution. We see in this figure point P and point Q is in the inside of triangle. So point P and point Q is the interior of a triangle. T point point Q is in the interior of the triangle. Interior of a triangle. This point P and Q. Now, second point is in the exterior of triangle ABC. We have to find out which point is exterior of the triangle ABC. We see that point U and P lie on the outside of the triangle. So, point U and P is in the exterior of triangle ABC. Because here, dear students, here you see that point U and P is on the outside of triangle. So, point U and P is exterior of a triangle. Second point U and P is in the exterior of triangle. Now, third point is on the triangle ABC. Dear students, you see that point R and point B lie on the side of a triangle AB, side of triangle AB of triangle ABC, and point B lie on the side BC. So, point R and point B on the triangle ABC. Third point R and point B on the triangle ABC. So, dear students, I hope that this question is clear to you. Now, I will revise next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 6.1. Question number 3 of exercise. Question number 3 of exercise 6.1. Question is measure of the three angles. Measure of the three angles. Of different triangles are given. Different triangles are given below. Classify the triangle. Classify the triangles. As a cube, obtuse, are right. First one is 45 degree, 76 degree, 59 degree. Second is 92 degree, 38 degree, 50 degree. Third is 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. Fourth is 89 degree, 40 degree, 51 degree. 89 degree, 40 degree and 51 degree. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video, I have already explained which angle is acute angle and which angle is obtuse angle and which angle is right angle triangle. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video, I have already explained the triangle in which each angle is acute angle is called acute angle triangle. Now, triangle in which one angle is right angle called right angle triangle, and triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle called obtuse angle triangle. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained which is acute angle, which is obtuse angle and which is right angle. So, in the part first, in the given question part first is we have to find out what type of this angle which measure is 45 degree, 76 degree and 59 degree. Dear students, as you see, these three angles is acute angle because these three angles is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. This angle is acute angle, so this angle will be acute angle because these three angles is acute angle. So first is acute angle triangle. This triangle will be acute angle triangle. Second, what type of second triangle will be? Dear students, you see in this measures one angle is 90 degree which is greater than 90 degree, and second angle is 38 degree which is acute angle, and third angle is 50 degree which is also acute angle. So dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained a triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle, then angle is obtuse angle triangle. So dear students, you see in this measure one angle is obtuse angle because greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. So second is obtuse angle triangle. This triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. Now, third, dear students, you see in this measurement, one angle is 60 degree, second angle is 30 degree, and third angle is 90 degree. So, dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already told you that a triangle in which one angle is right angle or 90 degree, the triangle is called right angle triangle. So you see that in this measurement one angle is right angle, so this triangle is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Third is right angle triangle. Now, fourth one is we have to find out what type of the measurement of triangle. We see that in the fourth part of question number 3, one angle is 89 degree, second is 40 degree, and third is 51 degree. So, dear students, you see that this measurement is, this angle is acute angle. So this measurement is acute angle. So this triangle will be acute triangle because I have already explained that triangle in which each angle is acute angle, the triangle is called acute angle triangle. So fourth will be acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Now I hope that this question is clear to you. Now I will revise next question of exercise 6.1. Measure are the three sides of different triangle. Question number 4. Measures of the three sides of the three sides of different triangle. Three sides of different triangles. Three sides of different triangles are given below. Different triangles are given below. Are given below. Classify them as equilateral, equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. First one is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Second is 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Third is 3 meter, 3 meter and 5 meter. 3 meter, 3 meter and 5 meter. And so, dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained that triangle in which all sides are different, that triangle is called scalene triangle. And triangle in which two sides are equal called isosceles triangle. Triangle in which all sides are equal called equilateral triangle. So dear students, as you know, in the given question solution, in first part, side is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. All sides are different. So this triangle will be scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? Now, in second part, we see that length of side of triangle is 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So dear students, you see that two sides are equal. So this triangle will be isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. In the third part, we see that length of side of triangle is 3 meter, 3 meter and 5 meter. Here, two sides are equal. So, this triangle will be isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So, dear students, I hope that all this question is clear to you, and I hope also that you can do this type of question very easily. So, I request to all students to practice all these type of question. Thank you so much.